So guys, Fritz and Lab in here in one more video for you. This project is the smallest thermometer, or what I call the smallest thermometer. Why smallest? Because it's assembled on top of a ATtiny 85, which is this microcontroller board that connects straight to the USB. It features two LEDs and two resistors, one resistor for each LED, and then one NTC thermistor, which is a temperature sensor, and one 10K resistor. That's all in terms of hardware. In terms of software, how does it work? Let's go. So I have to define some constants, for example, the beta of the thermistor, R0, which is the resistor at 25 degrees, 10,000 ohms, and then the series resistor, which is 10,000 ohms as well, and then the VCC, which supplies the ATtiny 85, which is 5 volts. Then I start by doing in here a moving average. So every 20 readings, so I make 20 readings and then I do a moving average to get the actual temperature value from the NTC. In here, in the loop, what I do is I get that value, I get that analog value, and then I decide what blinks and when it blinks. So in between the two LEDs, which blinks first, which blinks second, and how many times it blinks. And then in the other function I made in here, I do the analog reading and the curve fitting as well, because this is not the NTC thermistor that's assembled in here is not a linear component. It has a curve, so I have to do a curve fitting, and then with that curve fitting, I get a smooth NTC, which is an integer, right? And then I do I decide which LED goes and how many times it goes. So tens goes 3 times, tens goes 2 times, and so on, and so on, and so on. Let me show you the hardware a little bit. So, as I said, this is a ATtiny 85, as you can see. There are two LEDs in here and two resistors. LED of the dozens is on pin PB0, which is the first pin. LED of the units is on pin PB1, which is the second pin. And then on PB2, which is the third pin, there's the NTC thermistor, which is a 0805 SMD NTC thermistor. You can barely see by the side of the resistor and the wire. Then there's one wire connecting it to VCC, and then the other wire, the other actually resistor connecting the NTC to GND. This is all there is to the smallest thermometer. More information about this, guys, you are going to find at fritzandlab.net. Again, fritzandlab.net. Let me connect it here. Is where you're going to find schematics, code, details, everything to assemble one of these yourself. Okay, guys, see you guys in the next few videos.